Hello and welcome to the Cooking Merit Badge. My name is Andrew Budzinski from Troop 2319 in Marietta, Georgia, and I'll be helping walk you through the Cooking Merit Badge today. For the purposes of this Merit Badge course, we're going to split up the Merit Badge into three different parts. In part 1, we're going to talk about requirements 1, 2, and 3, which is the health and safety, nutritional aspects, as well as the basics of cooking. These are sort of the pre-work you need to do, everything that you need to do before you start cooking. In part 2, we'll work on requirements 4, 5, and 6. This is going to involve planning for and cooking at home, on a campout, as well as on a hike. And we'll finish up with part 3, which will cover requirement 7, food-related careers. And we're sort of going to wrap everything up, tie everything together, and see what you learned. Before we go on, it's really important that you understand that all the cooking you do for the Cooking Merit Badge in requirements 4, 5, and 6 can only count towards the Cooking Merit Badge. You cannot use it towards rank advancements, and you cannot use it towards any other merit badge. And vice versa, that means that any cooking you do for other merit badges or for rank advancements cannot be used for the Cooking Merit Badge. The Cooking Merit Badge should have brand new menus and brand new meal plans that you're going to create only for the Cooking Merit Badge. Speaking of cooking in other ranks, as I'm sure you've noticed by now, there's a lot of cooking requirements throughout the Scouts BSA program. It starts off in Tenderfoot, where you're going to assist another Scout by helping cook one of their meals. This part's pretty easy and you usually do it within the first couple campouts you go on. Next up in second class, you're actually going to cook a meal on your own. This will be probably an easier meal like a breakfast or a dessert, but it'll be the first time where you have to plan for your meal and cook your meal yourself. Then in first class, you're going to serve as a grub master. What that means is you're going to have to plan the entire weekend's worth of food for your patrol. You're then going to have to shop for that food, and then on the campout, you'll actually have to prepare that food and make sure your patrol gets fed. This is the first time when you're really going to be really responsible and be leading the kitchen, as it were. All of this sort of culminates in the Cooking Merit Badge. The Cooking Merit Badge is the most complex cooking requirements that there are in Scouts BSA. It involves cooking in a variety of different methods, in a variety of different locations. By the time you're working on the Cooking Merit Badge, you need to know how to do all your basics in cooking. You're going to need to know how to properly handle food, because at this point, you're really trying to hone those skills. You're trying to show that you've learned the process. That being said, you're not required to complete all of your rank cooking before working on your Cooking Merit Badge. However, we strongly encourage it, as each one of these is really designed to build on the previous one. But if you think you're ready, head on over to our How to Get the Cooking Merit Badge Part 1 video, where we're going to start talking about health and safety in the Cooking Merit Badge.